Welcome back to another video on how to code. We're getting closer, second to last RDP car right now, and we are going to be coding the Buick 225 Electra. So we'll first open up paint.net. It's completely free if you don't have it. Open up the paint templates. These templates can be found in the RDP Discord. And you will need to link your Patreon account to RDP to your Discord. I'll leave a link to both of those in the description. So once you are into your skin templates, click 76 olds and open up the Buick 225 UV. So from there I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time explaining what to change on, or like the features and stuff of paint.net. I'm just going to focus on more of the coding side of it here. So, yeah, I am just going to write. I'm having a brain fart right here. Sorry, it's really late. Worked all day and it's really late, so I'm just gonna write. There we go. And there we go. So once you save, or once you're getting ready to save it, you want to make sure you turn this background image off. If you save it with this background image on, it will show these lines and everything on your skin once you get it in game. So always make sure you turn that off. So once you get to this point, we go into BeamNG, go to repository, mods manager, and open your mod folder. If you don't have one already, you'll want to create a folder and name it unpacked like I have right here. And then from there, go into that folder. And this is just going to be, you can name it to whatever you want. This is just going to be the name of the mod. So I'm going to do 225 Buick Skin test. And then from there, new folder, vehicles, new folder, 76 olds, new folder, and we are going to be, you can name this to whatever you want. I'm going to name it Buick 225 test. And then you click into that folder. Then we go back into our paint templates, go to 76 olds. We're going to choose the 76 old skins JBeam file and then the skin.materials Buick JSON file, and then also the slot type. So copy those, and let's see here, go back into our Buick 225 test folder and paste. So once we get that far, we open our paint back up, save as, and I like to save mine as a DDS. You can save it as a PNG as well, but I'll show you at the end of the video if you want to save it as PNG what to change. But for now, we're going to save it as a DDS image. And name it to whatever you want. I'm going to save it as Buick 225 and then test 2025. But yeah, you can name it as to whatever you want. Just make sure it's don't name the same things multiple times, or else paints can conflict. So then you want to choose the correct folder you are saving it into. And when you do that, you finally hit save. It's going to pop up as this. I like to use the BC7 sRGB DX11 Plus and then the medium compression speed. So once you got that, you hit OK, flatten, then got a bunch of, gonna close those out. So then go back into your last folder right there. So we're gonna rename that skin materials folder. It needs to be just skin.materials. Get rid of that Buick. And then open up the JBeam file. As you see here, the skin name needs to be exactly what you named it right here. Same with down here, the skin name needs to be named exactly what you named it over there. Named your paint. So Buick 225 test 2025. Then we'll copy that and paste up here. Then this test or this part name, this is what's going to show up in the parts menu. So we'll name it Buick 225 test. Slot type, that's where this comes in play. Skin Buick 225 is a slot type for this. So then we go back into this. So it's skin Buick 225, file, save, and close that out. So then we open up our skin.materials and then make sure it's the Buick 225 here, and then with the name up here, you're going to want to name it exactly what you have right here for the skin file name. So we have Buick 225 test 2025 as ours. It's going to be different for you. And then down here in the base color map line, this pathing needs to match exactly how you have it up here. So we have vehicles 76 holes. This custom folder will be Buick 225 test. Might be different for you. It's whatever you named it. So Buick 225 test. And then the image name will be what you used up here and what is the exact same thing as you have there. And then we saved it as a DDS image, so we have to change that to DDS, and I'll show you what to change it to if you save it as a PNG at the end of the video. So after that, you file save, close that out, you can delete the slot type, and then we open BeamNG and hit update all mods. You only need it if you add a mod or adding folders or anything, you have BeamNG open, you will have to hit update all mods for it to show up like it did right there. So once you do, we go to vehicles, and then go into GM, and then open up the Buick. Easy way, the Buick kind of looks like the 76 olds. The easy way to tell is the Buick has these 4 holes in the hood, and the hood's just a little bit different there. So it's the easiest way to tell. For those of you that don't know much about derby cars. So then we'll go to vehicle, and it'll say that the correct body is the 74 Buick Electra sedan for this paint. So then we go to paint, and we named it Buick 225 test. So then we click on that, and that's how you code the Buick. And now when you're done, repository, mods manager, and pack, and that'll send it into your mods folder. And now I'll show you what to change if you want to save it as a PNG. So I'm going to delete the DDS. We're going to pretend to save it for the first time. File, save, PNG, and you are going to add a .color.png to the end of it. And then make sure it's in the correct folder that you want, and then hit the save. And then OK. After that, we go back into our folder, and you do not need to add a .color to either of these when saving it as a .color, and same with this. You do not need to add a .color up here. Only place you need to add a .color is down here in the base color map line, .color.png, and then file, save. Then we go back in, we'll reload it with Control R, and there you go. So that is how you save, or that is how you code the Buick 225 Electra sedan. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the down below, and hope you enjoy the video.